Hello students, let's discuss the computer application paper for the year 2024. I hope you all have done well. Let's check the answers. This paper is divided into two sections, section A and section B. Section A comprises of 40 marks and section B comprises of 60 marks. All the questions from section A are compulsory and from section B you have to solve any 4 from 6. Let us begin with the section A first. Section A, question 1. It has 20 MCQs, 1 mark each. First question. They have given you a diagram. You have to see the diagram carefully and you have to select the best possible answer for first question. Section A, question 1. It has 20 MCQs, 1 mark each. Section B, you have to solve any 4 from 6. Let us begin with the section A first. Section A, question 1. It has 20 MCQs, 1 mark each. First question. They have given you a diagram. You have to see the diagram carefully and you have to select the best possible answer for that. So, the answer for the question 1 is C. Polygon is the class and the pictures are the objects. Question 2. Value of x is 98 and we are converting that value into a character. So the answer is B. The output of the statement concentration dot index of T. The first occurrence of T is at the position 6. So the answer is option C, 6. Question 4. The access specifier that gives least accessibility is private. The output of the statement talent dot compared to genius is 13. Compare to gives the ASCII difference. So T minus G will give you 13. Question number 6. Which of the following is an escape sequence character in Java? Escape sequence always begins with the backslash. So the answer is B \T. Question 7. If A is greater than B and B is greater than C, then the largest number is A, because A is greater than B, which means A is also greater than C. Question 8. mat.ceil 5.4 will give you 6.0. mat.ceil 4.5 will give you 5.0. So 6.0 plus 5.0 will give you 11.0. So the answer is B, 11.0. What is the method to check whether a character is a letter or a digit? So we have one method from character wrapper class, which is letter or digit. So the answer is option C. Extension of Java source code file is .java. So the answer is option D, Java. Question 11. The number of bytes occupied by the character array of 4 rows and 3 columns. 4 rows and 3 columns means 4 into 3, 12. So it has 12 elements and each character requires 2 bytes. So 12 into 2, 24. So the answer is option B, 24. Which of the following data type cannot be used with switch case? String. Which of the following are entry control loops? For and while. So the answer is option B. Method which reverses a given number is impure method. If the name of the class is yellow, what can be the possible name for its constructors? Constructor has the same name as that of a class. So answer is option D, yellow. Invoking a method by passing the objects of a class is termed as call by reference. The correct statement to create an object named mango of class fruit is option B. Fruit mango equal to new fruit. Next question. Assertion says static methods can access static and instance variables. Reason: static variables can be accessed only by static method. Here assertion is false and reason is true. So option is the output of the Java code given below. Array name is color. It has 3 elements, blue, red, violet. We are accessing color 2, which means the last element, violet. And length of violet is 6. Which of the following mathematical method returns only an integer? Mat.round. Question 2, first one. We have to write Java expression for this. So the Java expression will be mat.abs a plus b divided by mat.square root a into a plus b into b. Evaluate the expression when x is 4. So the answer is 4. We have to rewrite the code using for. So we have to initialize the value of x and y to 10 and 20 respectively. The condition is x less than equal to 20, and we have to increment both the variables x and y. We are not printing anything in this loop, so this is a time delay loop. We have to put semicolon after the loop and then we have to print x into y. Give the output of the following program segment. How many times the loop execute? For x equal to 10, x greater than 20, x plus plus. X value is 10. So the condition is false. 10 is not greater than 20. So the control will not go to the next line. It will come to the third line. And answer will be 20. And loop will be executed 0 times. Question 5. String S1 is equal to 45.50 and string S2 is equal to 54.50. Now both the strings are converted into double using double dot pass double. And then D1 plus D2 will give you a double data type, which will be 100.0, which is converted to integer. That is why value of x will be 100. Now consider the following 2D array and answer the questions given below. This is the array, which has 4 rows and 3 columns. So the order of array is 4 by 3. What is the value of x of 0, 0 plus x of 2, 2? X of 0, 0 will give you 4 and x of 2, 2 will give you 10. So the answer is 14. The following code to compare two strings is compiled. The following syntax error was displayed. Incompatible types. Int cannot be converted to Boolean. Identify the statements which has the error and write the correct answer. Give the output of the following segment. String A and B are assigned value king and kingdom respectively. A dot compared to B will always give you the result in integer, which cannot be stored into Boolean. Hence, we need to correct the code. Instead of Boolean, we should write int. And the value of x will be -3, because ASCII difference of D and G is 3 and the string 1 is less than string 2. Hence, the answer will be negative. Next question. What concept of oops is depicted in the above program with two constructors? So it is polymorphism. And what is the output of the method main? The output is 10 and 30. Next question. To which package the character and Boolean classes belong? They both belong to java.lang package. Write the statement to access the scanner class in the program. So to access the scanner class in program, we need to import that class. And the statement to import scanner class is import java.util.scanner.